Okay, good day guys, welcome to today's lesson on ETABS. In today's lesson we are going to be defining the shear wall. So you'll be wondering, why am I defining the shear wall when there is no shear wall here? In the initial architectural plan, the architect placed a shear wall along this place and also placed a shear wall along this place for the lift to go through. So but I decided to remove it to check if our scheming, if we still need the shear wall. If we need it, we'll place it along this place, or we can decide to place our columns here for masonry shear wall. But if it's not possible, if we need a reinforced concrete shear wall to help us resist this story drift, then we will have to place it there. Okay, so let's go back to ETABS and let's define our wall. So go to define, section property, wall section. So you can see this one there. So to save time, we're just going to modify this one and choose the width we want. So choose the concrete strength you want. So it's going to be a compressive member, so you can modify whatever you want in the notional size. You can see it, you modify whichever one you want. So I'm going to modify this, and I'm going to change my F1, F2, all of these. I'm going to change it to an uncracked section 0.7. Then my M1 I can almost use divided by 100, because I'm not designing my shear wall to resist bending in the out of plane direction. So yes, to reduce the amount of longitudinal reinforcement, so I click this. Then the thickness will be 230. Okay, so you can see it here, 230, and click OK. So we have our shear wall. So thank you for watching today's video.